I made an app that makes you addicted to deleting photos. It turns the tedious task of organizing photos into something fun, even surprising and touching, completely solving the problems of taking photos but never looking at them, and deleting photos being too exhausting. Anyone who has ever spent time deleting photos knows this. Whether you're using the system album or a third-party app, you'll face the same issue. No matter where you start, the whole process is incredibly boring, just like doing housework. So how did I solve this problem? It's very simple, just 2 words, random. Let me show you directly. Click in, and the first photo is one I took with my girlfriend in Thailand 286 days ago. This is a Xiaomi 17 Pro. This photo is of my work badge, taken 10 years ago when I was about to leave Smartisan Technology. This one was taken a year ago at the entrance of Tao Jay's concert, where I ran into GC Deng and a Zhang and asked them for a group photo. This one is from the Yonghui supermarket after my first visit to Pangdonglai for adjustments. Now, I don't need this photo anymore, so I'll swipe up to delete a set of photos. After viewing, you'll be prompted to confirm batch deletion. If you change your mind at this point, you can still undo it. Once deleted, the next set will appear. Swipe up to delete, swipe down to favorite. In the future, there will also be a feature to categorize photos into albums, so you can organize them as you browse. From now on, deleting photos is no longer just digital housework. It's organizing while reminiscing, truly bringing out the value of your photos. When you come across an interesting memory, you can send it directly to a friend and have a quick chat about it. For example, the photo I just came across is from 4 years ago. It was my first year in Shanghai, and I combined 2 seasons of the same ginkgo tree into one picture. I thought it was pretty interesting, so I can share it with my friends. As for videos, we've created a separate interface for them, designed to give you the feeling of scrolling through short videos of your own life. Yeah, so let me show you my videos. This is a video I took when I was learning woodworking. And this one is from 2 years ago when I went to Ding Shiguang's tour concert. This was filmed at Pangdonglai Electric City. They actually started stocking math and language robots. This one is when I went to buy a pair of 3D printed glasses. They model your entire head to make glasses that fit you perfectly. If you come across a video you don't want, just click this button to delete it. And if you want to save one, click this. Overall, it's pretty much like scrolling through Douyin. You can also slide the progress bar. Later on, we'll support long press to fast forward. By default, each batch has 15 items, but you can set it up to 100 per batch. Deleting photos used to be something you had to set aside a whole block of time for, but now it's become something you can do while waiting for the bus, or even while on the toilet. It's pretty incredible that deleting photos when you're bored can actually replace social media as a way to relieve boredom. Photos you've already seen won't show up again within 3 years, so you don't have to worry about seeing the same ones repeatedly. In other words, no matter how many photos or videos you have, if you keep swiping through them whenever you have time, there will come a day when you've reviewed every single photo and video on your phone, even if you have 100,000. And once you've finished, you can reset and go through them all again. The usage statistics here look really satisfying. Since I've used this on several phones, there isn't much data on this particular device, but quite a few users have already told me they've finished looking through all their photos. So, why do they tell me this? It's because we haven't handled this part very well yet. After finishing, a few photos will show up again, and users don't know what's going on, so they come to ask me. This issue will be fixed very soon. Quite a few users with ADHD have given me feedback that this is the only photo deletion app they can actually use because people with ADHD tend to get distracted by boring tasks. Other photo management apps are just too boring since they go in order, so they can't stick with them. But with random display, they can keep using it. So this is also a photo management app that's very suitable for people who like to batch process. That's the introduction to the Keep or Delete Photos app. In the near future, we'll be in a phase of rapid iteration until the features are relatively complete. Whatever needs you can think of, like organizing similar photos, widgets, notifications, categorizing into albums, and so on. All of these features are already in our backlog, and we're working hard to implement them. The idea for this app came to me at the end of April this year, and that's when I decided to go for it. My friend, Mr. Sui, is responsible for UI design and development. We spent 4 months creating the first version. Right now, it's already available on the Apple App Store. After 2.5 months, we've reached 23,000 downloads. You also don't have to worry about choosing between an annual subscription or a one-time purchase after downloading, because our annual subscription allows you to pay the price difference to upgrade to a one-time purchase. You can start with the annual subscription, use the 3-day trial period that comes with the subscription, and cancel at any time. Then within the next year, if you decide you need it, you can pay the difference and switch to a one-time purchase whenever you want. If this is your first time watching my video, you'll notice when you visit my profile that I'm actually a tech blogger, not a full-time indie developer. If you sort my videos by views, you'll see that the most viewed video isn't a tech review, but one about the Pangdonglai supermarket. That's just how life is. There are always unexpected things.